Still scanning book barcodes one by one? Talk about a tech bottleneck. It's time for an upgrade. Today, we're building a professional-grade RFID library management system using an ESP32 and the JENCE J4212U desktop reader. First, let's gather our items. You'll need the JENCE J4212U reader, an ESP32 module with its USB cable, 2 tactile switches, some jumper wires, and your UHF RFID book tags. Now, let's wire it up using this circuit diagram. We are connecting the reader to the ESP32 via UART and attaching our 2 switches to pins G18 and G19. Make sure they share a common ground to keep the signal stable. Next, plug the ESP32 into your PC and open your IDE. Paste in the provided code, double-check your board, baud rate, and port settings under the Tools menu as RX and TX lines, and hit Upload. With the code uploaded, let's test the workflow. Press the button on G18 to activate issue mode. If the reader is empty, the monitor will show no tag found. But drop a book on the JENCE J4212U, press G18, and it instantly updates to issued. The smart firmware logic tracks this in the ESP32's memory, so double-issue errors are completely blocked. Now for returns, press the button on G19 and the system instantly marks it as returned. Just like before, the built-in safety ensures you can't accidentally return the same book twice. And there you have it, a fast, error-free checkout station ready for any modern library. You can grab the open-source SDK and code linked below. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more IoT projects, and I'll see you in the next video.